Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are giving you an update on the Pinnacle development. Now this is a massive development, a mega development taking place in Jamaica. They are going to build 423 residences in four 28-story apartment blocks, 4 towers at 28 floors each. Now the development is going to cost US 350 million, but chances are it will, by the time they're finished, though, it will end up costing more. Now they plan to build 2 towers first and then build the second 2 after. So the first 2 towers are under construction now. That's what we are looking at. And look at that view. That's the Marine Reserve in Montego Bay. Very nice view. Can you imagine being 28 floors up and looking at this view? Now, in addition to the 423 apartments or residences, it's going to have 15 exclusive villas. So I can just imagine how spectacular those villas are going to be. Now this is a luxury development. Luxury. I don't remember the price. We'll look up the price and give you guys the update in another video. But they're going to be on the high end because of this kind of development. And the first set of units should be handed over in 2026. So I guess we all know what timelines mean in Jamaica. They're more of an estimate because I can't remember any development that gave a timeline at the beginning of the development and finished on time. If anybody knows of any such development, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Now remember, when they break ground on the development, they give you a finish date and they finish on that date. I've never seen it, me personally, I've never seen it happen in Jamaica. Alright, the development is being done by LCH Developments. They also did the Harbor City Mall in Montego Bay. Very nice development. And they've done other developments around the area. They actually have one planned for Hanover and another one planned for Portmore. But we'll give you more details on those developments in another video. Now, based on where they've reached, and they're going up 28 floors, I'm not sure they'll finish in 2026. They'll finish, but we'll keep you guys updated. We'll give you videos, give you updates between every 2 weeks and every 4 weeks. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.